Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify and track conversion. In this video, we will talk about Facebook Pixel, how to create Facebook Pixel for your page, and how to install Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store and track conversion. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. Before starting with this video, let's first understand what is Facebook Pixel or Metapixel. Metapixel is a piece of code that you put on your website that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. You can use Metapixel to make sure your ads are shown to the right people, find new customers or people who have visited a specific page or taken a desired action on your website. Drive more sales. Set up automatic bidding to reach people who are more likely to take an action you care about, like making a purchase. Measure the results of your ads. Better understand the impact of your ads by measuring what happens when people see them. Once you've set up Metapixel, it will log when someone takes an action on your website. Examples of actions include adding an item to their shopping cart or making a purchase. The pixel receives these actions or events which you can view on your Metapixel page in Events Manager. From there, you'll be able to see the actions that your customers take. You'll also have options to reach those customers again through future Facebook ads. So now we hope you have understood what Facebook Pixel is and what is its importance. Now let's move on to how to set up Metapixel. After logging into your Facebook page in the left sidebar at the bottom, click on Meta Business Suite. This is the Meta Business Suite for your selected Facebook page. And from this drop-down menu, you can switch your Facebook page. In the left sidebar at the bottom, click on All Tools. And under the Advertise section, click on Events Manager. This is the Events Manager overview page. You can set up and manage business tools that can help you optimize your ads performance. You can connect your data. Get set up on the right business tools so you can share data from your websites, apps, servers, or stores. Gain actionable insights for your business. Measure the actions people take after interacting with your brand. Optimize ads to drive real-world outcomes. Identify valuable customers and show ads to people most likely to convert. To continue, click on the Connect Data button. In the pop-up window, you can connect a new data source in 4 ways, which are web, app, offline, and CRM. As our main motive is to install Pixel on our Shopify store, so we have to select the web option and then click on the Connect button. Now you have to create a pixel to send web events and parameters from your websites, including customer actions and browsing behavior. Here enter the name for your pixel and then click on the Create Pixel button. Now you have to check whether your website is eligible for pixel integration or not. Here, enter your Shopify store's URL. After entering it, you will also see a green tick icon and then click on the Check button. Now you need to choose how to connect your website. The first option is Conversions API and Metapixel, which is recommended. And the second one is Metapixel only. Here we are continuing with the Conversions API and Metapixel option. Then click on the Next button. You will be taken to the Events Manager overview page. Thus, everything is set up from Facebook's side. Now come to the Shopify site. And after logging into your Shopify store, click on Online Store in the left sidebar, and at the bottom, click on the Preferences tab. On the Preferences page, scroll down and you will find the Facebook Pixel section. Click on the Setup Facebook button. On the next page, you have to authorize Facebook to access your Shopify store by clicking on this Add Sales Channel button. Now you need to connect and set up your Facebook profile. To do so, click on the Start Setup button, and on the next page, click on the Connect Account button. A pop-up window will open. Enter your Facebook login credentials and then click on the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will see your Facebook account has been successfully connected. So, the first section, which is Facebook account, has been completed. The second section is Business Assets. Here in this section, you will see all the Facebook pages that are managed by your Facebook account. Tick the Facebook page that you want to connect to your Shopify store and then click on the Connect button. If the selected Facebook page is not connected to a Meta Business account, you need to create a new one to connect it to your page. So click on the Create New button and then click on the Connect button. It will take some time to create a Meta Business account for your page, and after successful creation, you will see a pop-up notification. Now the third section is Checkout Method. You need to choose where you want customers to complete their purchase. You can select between directly on Facebook and Instagram or your Shopify store. Here we are continuing with the second option and then click on the Save button. The fourth section is Data Sharing. In the pop-up window, from here you can enable or disable data sharing. And then you have to choose your preference. You can select between Conservative, Enhanced, and Maximum. Here we are continuing with Enhanced, and then click on the Save button. Now you need to connect a pixel to track your customers' behavior. So click on the Create New button, and you will see a pixel connected with your Shopify store. And then click on the Confirm button. The fifth and the last section is Terms and Conditions. Here, you need to accept Facebook's seller agreement to sell your products on Facebook or Instagram, and you will also need to accept Facebook's business tools terms to create a pixel. Tick this box to accept both the terms and conditions. And so here you can see that all the 5 steps have been successfully completed. Now we only need to submit this for review. To do so, click on the Submit for Review button. In the pop-up window, you will see that the submission for review and creation of your shop has been started. It may take up to a minute to process the information that you've submitted. You are not supposed to refresh the page while your shop is being created. After successfully submitting and creating your store, you will see a pop-up window with a confirmation saying that we are reviewing your Facebook sales channels. On your Shopify store under the Facebook tab in the left sidebar, from here you can see the status of your review. Usually you will get an update in 3 to 5 business days. With this, we have completed a tutorial on how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify and track conversions. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope that it has benefited you. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.